gbogbo ìṣòro tó dé bá Nàìjíríà yìí nǹkan kékeré ni, ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó fẹ́ pa Nàìjíríà lọ́wọ́ yìí báyìí à ń claim right, trailer face yẹ ó ń claim right. So instead of ká yanjú nǹkan ní applicable àwọn à ń bára wájà, we don't need it man. Gbogbo ìṣòro Nàìjíríà nǹkan tí mo lè solve within 6 months péré ni. President ẹ pé àwọn non-tenant because ọ̀dọ̀ wọn làwọn arábìnrin pọ̀ sí jù, kí lẹ fẹ́, kí ni ìdí tẹ́ fi ń dà lóru? Instead of ká lọ máa ra ìbọn all the time, ká lọ máa ra bomb, at the end of the day bomb yẹn ò lè solve ìṣòro wa. At the end of the day gbogbo instrument tẹ́ fi owó wa rà, ohun ìjà ogun tẹ́ fi owó wa rà kò lè solve problem tó wálẹ̀. So if you cannot fight somebody then plead. Tó bá lè borí èèyàn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ final, that is it. Ẹni tó bá ti mọ̀ pé ẹni tí bá bá jà mi ò lè borí ẹ̀ àbí ẹni yìí mi ò lè bá jà, then beg instead of to be killing people anyhow man. Hello sir, Mr. President, well I know that you will be hearing me. Àwọn èèyàn ti kú gan o, àwọn èèyàn ti jìyà gan o. Àwọn kan jẹgba lọ́wọ́ nínú igbó báyìí, wọ́n rape àwọn kan lọ́wọ́ báyìí, wọ́n bẹ́ orí àwọn kan lọ́wọ́ báyìí, wọ́n gé orí àwọn kan lọ́wọ́ báyìí, wọ́n tẹ igi sínú òbò àwọn kan lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ẹrù ọlá àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyẹn, tẹ́ bá mọ̀ wípé àwọn arábí ẹ ò lè bá wọn jà, ẹ bẹ̀ wọ́n, ẹ pé àwọn tí ọ̀rọ̀ kàn, ẹ jókòó round table. Hello, kí lẹ fẹ́? Instead of to be wasting life of people without no reason. Is it a proud that Yorùbá kill Hausa? Ṣé oríire ni? Ṣé achievement ni pé Igbo ó pa Yorùbá? Ṣé achievement ni wípé Fúlàní ó pa Yorùbá? Is this achievement? No, it's stupidity. Instead of to be killing ourselves, why can't us use the power and promote ourselves? Why can't us use the power? Why the power that you want to use to kill me? Why can't you use the power to make my life better? Then I use my own power to make your life better. Instead of to be killing ourselves. Why are we killing ourselves? After you kill me, what is your gain? After I kill you, what is my gain? Nothing. Are you understand me here? If they want to compensate Sunday Igboho, they're free for another friend. But don't let Emma waste time on you lórí kan tí ò ní túmọ̀. Do you know how many forces we have in Nigeria? We have soldiers, navies, Tulunto, Talanta, and so on and so forth. We have custom. We have many forces. So, ṣé ẹgbẹ́ kan wá wà tá fẹ́ dá sílẹ̀ nísìn tí irinṣẹ́ tó wà lọ́wọ́ àwọn yẹn máa wà lọ́wọ́ wọn? No, the same thing kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn tó ń dá sílẹ̀ náà ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí níwọ̀n tẹ́ bá dá sílẹ̀. Vigilante wà, oríṣiríṣi ẹgbẹ́. Okay? Let's preach humanity. Let's preach love. Don't let us preach killing ourselves. My fellow Nigeria, let's preach love. Let's preach unite. Let's stop preaching killing ourselves. And I tell you this night, if Yoruba kill Fulani, it's not achievement, it's a stupidity. If Fulani kill Yoruba, it's not achievement, it's a stupidity. If Igbo kill Hausa, it's not achievement, it's a stupidity. If Hausa kill Yoruba, kill Igbo, it's not achievement, it's a stupidity. We are not a human being, we are animals. But the power that we want to use to be killing people, let's use the power to help ourselves. What are we fighting for? Is it rank? Is it for me to do sonsa? It's nothing. Let's forget what our forefathers have done. Let's forget what happened yesterday. Let's face our front. That is the reason why God created our eyes for front, not back. That means don't look back. What have passed. The reason why you see that problem Nigeria does not solve today, they are reacting on what have passed. 50 years ago, 100 years ago, 60 years ago, 30 years ago. That is the problem we have, man. And if you don't forget what have passed, no solution. 30 years ago, your tribe killed my tribe. I need to kill your tribe back. Let accept that time as ignorance realization time. Time tí a ò tí gbọ́n, time tí a ò tí lóye, time tí a ò tí ní ìmọ̀, time tí a ń wílé ayé bí kò jẹ́ nǹkankan. Okay? This is 2026. ó yẹ kí èrò orí wa kó ti ju pé ká máa para wa lọ. In 2026 we are still behaving like animal. Shame to everybody. Shame to all of us. Shame to all of us. But likewise me, like anybody in Nigeria, shame to all of us. 2026 we are still preaching. Let's go and create something that we used to kill Fulani. Fulani, let's go and create something that we used to kill Yoruba. Hausa, let's create something that we used to kill Igbo. Let's create something that we used to create out in 2026. We are mad. We are not a human being. We need to ashamed of ourselves. This 2026 now, Nigeria is supposed to be launching. Now we have a fantastic hospital in a different state that everybody can go. Now we have thousands of companies. Everybody that want to work. If you want to work in Abuja, go to Abuja. If you want to work in Kaduna, go to Kaduna. If you want to work in Lagos State, go to Lagos State. If you want to work in Igbo Land, go to Igbo Land. That is what we're supposed to be doing now. But in 2026, we are fighting. Because of what? Because I want to be ruled. Ruling with blood. Is that achievement? No. Please. We beg you. We beg you. We beg you. Let's beg ourselves. We want to do protest. If you do protest, soldier come out, put tear gas for your face. You go back home. We are mad. We don't need protests. We can use the power of social media. Preach love in your social media. Let me preach love. Hausa preach love. Fulani preach love. Yoruba preach love. Let's come together and settle this matter applicable. And let everybody go on its own. We can live together if we cooperate. If I want to come and collect something in your hand, I will pay. If you want to come and collect something in my hand, I will pay. You will pay. Anything you lack in your town, in your territory, tell us. I will give you in my own town. Anything I lack in my town, I will tell you. You will give me your own town. We don't need to be killing ourselves. Please. This killing is too much. All our activists, we are begging you, stop abusing our elders. It's not their fault. Because what is happening is not just started now. We are talking about 60 years war, 100 years war, thousands of years war. That is what we are facing now. Abusing ourselves is not the solution. Oh, Tinubu, it's not the solution now. What can we do? Where have we failed? What do we do? All of us, don't put, if you want to make Nigeria better, don't put the blame of Nigeria on top of anybody's head. The blame of Nigeria is on top of me, on top of you. If we accept that, there will be a solution. But if you say that the blame of Nigeria is on top of Tinubu, you don't want solution. If you say that the blame of Nigeria is for Fulani cause it, you don't want solution. If you say that the problem of Nigeria is Yoruba cause it, you don't want solution. If you say that the problem of Nigeria is Igbo cause it, you don't want solution. The problem of Nigeria caused by I and you. If you accept that, there will be a solution. I'm the one that caused the problem of Nigeria. You are the one that caused it. Our forefather caused it. Please, I beg you. All the kidnappers in the bush, please leave bush and come inside town. Let the people in your hand free. I'm begging you, please. The bandit of Oyo that carry students. Daju, kilo de, why? Those are somebody like your Shindre. We don't need it. It's not supposed to be like that. See how you killed somebody's father because of what? Are we normal? What is the reason? Why? Why that? Why do you do that? Is it because of money? Is it because you want to live the world forever? It's not supposed to be like that. Kilo day, we don't need it. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need to kill ourselves because of money. No matter what. Because you need to be see that person. Like if it is my wife, if it is my children, can I do that to the person? No, you cannot do that to your children. You cannot do that to your wife. Anything you cannot do for yourself, don't do it for another person. I see how soldier kill one bandit. I pity for the bandit. This life, we are not normal again. It's not our fault. It's the fault of our forefather. Let's come together and settle this matter, please. So don't let me talk too much. Now I want to talk to Yoruba people. They will say that I want to bias now. I'm not biased. I know that some Hausa will hear Yoruba. Some Igbo will hear Yoruba. They will interpret for you. I want to talk to Yoruba. I can't speak. I will say something deeper, but because I'm speaking English, I cannot say it deeper because I don't go to school. Yeah, I just try to be speaking English. Yeah. Yoruba.